What's up, Tech Drop fam? Are you ready to blow your mind today? Because I'm about to show you something absolutely insane. How to create Hollywood quality AI images for completely free using Google's brand new Imagen 4. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be generating images that look so real your friends won't believe you made them. But first, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell because you do not want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive in. Alright, here's where the magic happens. Head over to aistudio.google.com. I'll put the link in the description below. Once you're there, just sign in with your Google account. Super simple. Now, here's the secret entrance. Look for Generate Media on your dashboard and click it. This is where Google hides their most powerful AI tools. Now this is where it gets interesting. Click on Imagen and boom, the settings panel appears. But wait, before we start creating, check this out. See those examples images below? Those are all AI generated. Can you believe that? These aren't photos, they're completely artificial, but they look absolutely real. Here's where you make your first big decision. You got two powerhouse options. Imagen 4 Preview for incredibly realistic images, or Imagen 4 Ultra for the absolute best realism Google has to offer. I'm going with Ultra because we're going for perfection here. Pro tip, you can't change the number of results, but you can adjust the aspect ratio. I'm choosing 16:9 for that cinematic widescreen look. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's run two completely different demos to show just how versatile this is. First up, something fun and playful. A set of 6 high-resolution cartoon-style 2D stickers with silly expressions and teach-you-how-did humor. Oh my goodness, look at these! These are absolutely perfect. The detail, the expressions, I could sell these as actual stickers. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's go completely opposite with something epic. A cinematic landscape with a lone warrior, dark armor, red cape, cracked moon, and misty lake. Are you kidding me right now? Look at the lighting. Look at the reflections. This looks like concept art from a major Hollywood movie. The atmospheric fog, the dramatic lighting. This is absolutely stunning. Now here's the best part. Getting these masterpieces onto your device is ridiculously easy. Just click on whichever image makes your jaw drop. Hit that download button and save it wherever you want. That's it. You now own a piece of AI art that rivals professional work. And there you have it, Tech Drop family. You just learned how to create absolutely incredible AI images completely free. Which one would blew your mind more, the adorable stickers or that epic fantasy landscape? Drop your answer in the comments below because I read every single one. If this video just saved you hundreds of dollars on stock photos or design work, show some love with a like and subscribe for more game-changing tech tutorials. I'll see you in the next one where we're diving even deeper into AI tools that will change your life. Until then, keep creating.